Solution-focused therapy may have started in the therapy room, but its impact doesn't stop there. Today, its tools and principles are reshaping how we coach, lead, manage, and build teams. In corporate and coaching contexts, SFT becomes a mindset of progress, not pathology. Instead of asking what's wrong, we ask what's working. Instead of diagnosing problems, we clarify outcomes. SFT in leadership starts with one powerful shift, focusing on strengths. When a team member is stuck, we ask, what would a small sign of progress look like? What's already helping, even a little? These questions spark momentum. They show people that change is possible and already happening. In coaching, the miracle question becomes a powerful visioning tool. If your next quarter went exactly the way you hope, what would be different? What would you notice in your team, your results, your mindset? Scaling is just as valuable. Where are you now on a scale of 0 to 10? What would a 1-point shift look like? What tells you you're not at 0? These questions move the focus from problems to possibilities, from deficits to development. SFT also works beautifully in feedback conversations. Instead of saying, here's what's wrong, we say, here's what's working, and here's where we could build more. It encourages growth without shame, accountability without fear. Managers become facilitators. Leaders become listeners. Teams become solution builders. In organizations, we can use SFT to navigate change, boost morale, set clear, achievable goals, celebrate progress, not just outcomes. Because even in high-pressure environments, people want to feel effective, seen, and valued. SFT gives us a structure to do that. And it's not just about individuals. We use it with groups. What's one thing this team is doing well? What's a small improvement we could test together? These questions promote ownership and collaboration. They open the door to sustainable, self-driven performance. In coaching contexts, SFT helps clients stay action-focused. What's one thing you could do this week that moves you forward? What have you already done that shows this goal matters to you? It's efficient, it's respectful, and it trusts that people already have the seeds of success. The coach or leader doesn't need to have all the answers. They need to know how to ask better questions. SFT reminds us people don't need fixing. They need someone who sees their strengths and helps them build on what's already working. Whether you're a therapist, coach, or corporate leader, SFT helps you unlock possibility. Because it's not about what's broken. It's about what's next.